Hello viewers, welcome to Vati Online. In the existing digital signal processing lecture series, today we are going to see about Hamming window based problem only. But already in my previous videos also we discussed about Hamming window, but there is a difference between today's problem as well as previously solved problems. Today we are going to solve a delayed sequence. So let's see the video. This is the problem. Design a filter with ht of e power j omega is equal to e power minus j 3 omega, where omega varies from minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, and for the remaining cases ht of e power j omega is equal to 0 using Hamming window with n equal to 7. So in the previous classes we discussed about similar kind of problem, but the difference between previous one as well as this one is there it was given as ht of e power j omega is equal to 1, but here we are having ht of e power j omega is equal to e power minus j 3 omega. So that means which is similar to e power minus j omega into the 3 is equal to n minus 1 by 2, because our n value is 7. So that means our center of symmetry is given by n minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3. So therefore this e power minus j 3 omega is otherwise written as e power minus j omega n minus 1 by 2. So therefore if we are finding ht of n means we can get the causal sequence here. So generally we used to get non-causal sequences, but in this case we directly get the causal sequence. So we are applying this one and we are estimating ht of n. So e power minus j 3 omega into e power j omega n d omega. So after solving this integration we will get sin n pi by 4 into n minus 3. Similarly in the denominator we used to get n pi, instead of that we will get n minus 3 pi. So actually we used to get sin pi by 4 into n. Similarly denominator we used to get sin n pi, but here there is a delay, so therefore we are getting n minus 3. The denominator also we used to get n minus 3. So now we have to solve ht of 0 to ht of 3. So ht of 0 which is equal to ht of 6, since it is the causal sequence only, because our center of symmetry is 3 only. But in other problem we are solving this with respect to 0 only, so therefore we used to get h of minus 1 equal to h of 1, h of minus 2 equal to h of 2. So like that only we used to get, but in this example we are getting ht of 0 is equal to ht of 6. Similarly ht of 1 equal to ht of 5, ht of 2 which is equal to ht of 4, and ht of 3 alone separate value. That is the center of symmetry here. So if you are substituting 0, 1, 2 in this equation means we can get the answers here. So 0.075, and the next one 0.159, the last one 0.22, and here 3 is the center of symmetry. So therefore if you are substituting n equal to 3 here means we used to get 0, that is 1 by 0, infinity only we used to get. So instead of avoid that problem, directly you substitute n equal to 3 here. So in the integration itself you substitute, so therefore we get 0.25. So we found all the causal sequences. Now we can estimate the non-causal window sequence. So non-causal means it consists of wh of minus 1 equal to wh of 1, wh of minus 2 is equal to wh of 2. So we can define the Hamming window sequence here. We can define the Hamming window wh of n equal to 0.5 0.54 plus 0.46 cos 2 pi n divided by n minus 1 for minus 3 to n greater than or equal to 3. N varies from minus 3 to plus 3. And for the remaining cases, it is equal to 0. So now we have to find out the coefficient. So WH of minus 1 equal to WH of 1. WH of minus 2 is equal to WH of 2. WH of minus 3 is equal to WH of 3. So by substituting n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, we got all these values. WH of minus 1 equal to WH of 1, minus 2 is equal to 2, minus 3 is equal to 3. And we found all the things. Actually here we are having non-causal sequence, but HT of 0 and these things we are having causal sequence. That means everything is positive, but here you are having negative as well as positive value. So now we have to make this non-causal sequence into causal. So that means since it is the delayed sequence, we have to shift 3 position these coefficients. This WH coefficients we have to shift it into 3 positions. So therefore we get WH of 0 equal to WH of 6, which is equal to 0. Then WH of 1, which is equal to WH of 5, that is 0.25. And the next one, WH of 2, which is equal to WH of 4, which is equal to 0.75. And WH of 3, which is equal to 1. So these are the shifted sequences. So now we can multiply our window sequences with our this Fourier coefficients. So therefore H of n is equal to HT of n and multiplied by WH of n. So 1-to-1 multiplication only, both are causal. So H of 0, which is equal to H of 6, after multiplication we are getting 0. Similarly H of 1, which is equal to H of 5. So after multiplying HT of 1 as well as WH of 1, we get like this. Similarly H of 2 is equal to H of 4. So after multiplication of HT of 2 as well as WH of 2, we are getting like this. And the last one is multiplication of HT of 3 as well as WH of 3. So we are getting H of 3. So since it is the causal sequences, everything is positive as well as causal. So therefore it is physically realizable filter. So no more classifications are required or no more calculations are required. So this is the final step. If you are interested on this video means please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.